Hey there, it's Carolyn Wheeler of C-Dub Says, where we show you how to design the life you desire and give you the tools to empower you to take action on your dreams. Welcome back to Bullet Journaling 101. This series is the companion video to the articles I'm running on cdubsays.com. I also have a free ebook about bullet journaling for you. You can find the links to those in the description below. In the previous video, we covered what a bullet journal is and some tools you should use with it. Today, we're going to talk about deciding what to put in your bullet journal. It's good to do a little advanced planning before you set up your book. Every bullet journal includes collections. Collections store related content and serve a specific need. There are 4 collections that are the foundation for every bullet journal. They are the index, future log, monthly log, and daily log. We'll cover each of these in depth in future videos. You already know you're going to have core collections, so let's think of some other collections you can include in your journal. You may want to go beyond just writing down events, appointments, or birthdays and create pages for specific goals you have. You can record goals and plans in your goals collection and then add specific tasks related to your goals in your monthly and daily logs to stay on track. Lists are the cornerstones of bullet journaling. You use them to get everything out of your head, your brain dump, and into your journal so that you can stay on top of the various things you want to work on or take care of. For example, there are many lists to use, from to-do lists for personal or work tasks, to lists about movies you want to see, to recipes you want to try, or places you want to visit. There really is no end to the amount of lists you can have. If you have certain lifestyle goals, you may want to include trackers in your journal. This might include tracking your daily habits, like having a section where you log food or fitness, keeping track of your weight, your water intake, or monitoring how much time you spend on your mobile devices. Are you trying to stick to a budget? Include financial pages. Perhaps you're trying to save up for a vacation or pay off a loan. These types of pages will help you toward your goal. This is just the beginning of what you can include in your bullet journal. Take some time to scan Pinterest, Instagram, or Google for more inspiration. But as I said before, if you're a newbie, don't be intimidated by all the fancy designs you see. You can be as simple as you need for what you need your bullet journal to do for you. Well, that's it for today. Next time I'll show you how to set up the index and future log. We'll also talk about what writer Carol, the inventor of the bullet journal, calls mental inventory. Don't forget to visit cdubsays.com to read articles on bullet journaling and to get your free Bullet Journaling 101 ebook. And be sure to check out my dot grid journal collection, perfect for bullet journaling, available on amazon.com under C-Dub Says Journals. I'll see you next time.